Today we have the all-new 2025 Mercedes-AMG E53 plug-in hybrid. We are going on a test drive. This is my first impressions look of this new E53. Looks very sleek. It's finished in this silver metallic on the exterior. I'll have a more detailed video of this car coming up in the next couple of days. Let's begin with the powertrain. The all-new E53 plug-in hybrid is powered by an AMG enhanced 3-liter inline-six engine, which produces 577 horsepower with 553 pound-feet of torque. The E53 also has a 120 kilowatt-hour battery, which is in the back, integrated with the 9-speed transmission, offering 161 horsepower and 354 pound-feet of torque to enhance takeoffs and passing. And the 0 to 60 time in this car is 3.7 seconds. And also has a 9-speed transmission, AMG RIDE CONTROL based on 4MATIC suspension, and all-wheel drive. Wow, it looks absolutely phenomenal. Love what Mercedes has done. Very sleek on the front fascia with these new set of headlights, and these are digital lights with a single eyebrow Mercedes-Benz insignia, and you can see the digital light insignia inside here. These are also intelligent lights. And also love the power domes on this car. The filter back badge sits flush on the hood. Love the power domes. On the lower section, very aggressive air intakes with the night gloss black accents. Very sleek design at the front. The AMG night package and active air intakes. And also love the grille with the light all around it. Lets you know that this is a hybrid car. The exterior is the silver metallic. And we have the AMG badge at the front here. Side perspective, this car says turbo hybrid right here. Front tires, we have 265/40 R20. These are 20-inch rims with the silver multi-spoke rims, and the door handles typically sit flush on the body of the car. Very sleek design. Love the horizontal line right here. And the rear tires, we have 295/35 R20. These are 20-inch rims, and I believe this is the charging point. This car has a regular AC charge as well as a DC fast charger. You can charge up to full charge in 20 minutes onto the 21.2 kilowatt hour battery. The electric only range on this car is about 49 miles. And that's why we have that. Stepping on the rear side, very sleek design. Love the new set of LED tail lights. The AMG badge on the left hand side. E53 with the red bevels on the right hand side, and very aggressive rear design here with the quad exhaust tailpipes. This car sounds absolutely phenomenal. Also, we have a number of sensors down here as well, and that's a quick exterior look. Let's go ahead and jump inside, see what we have. This car has the Tonka brown, and love how it looks, similar to the regular E-Class. But here we go, front look. Let's go ahead and start the car, go on a drive. Here we are in the interior. The first thing you notice, we have this charging menu which shows up once you enter the car. I will give it some power. Love the animation. Obviously, we have drive units down here, and when you start the car, it's in the electric only mode. We have drive units. I will switch it to the Sport Plus mode.
In order to use this function, you have to have online voice control. Please take a look at your Mercedes-Me settings.
So I gotta tell you guys, I wish and I hope Mercedes is listening. This AMG enhanced 3-liter inline-six is the actual engine we should have gone into the C63S. But here we are in the E53 plug-in hybrid. Sounds really good. Wow, that is a phenomenal sound experience. Hey Mercedes.
I'm listening.
Set ambient light to red.
We are changing to red.
Ooh, it drives so good. The 9G Tronic, the 9-speed automatic transmission is just beautiful. seamless gear changes. Of course, we have paddle shifters behind the steering wheel, but wow, the AMG Ride Control also, I cannot wait to test that out around the corner and see how it drives. First impressions, it sounds beautiful. The other thing I'll do is swipe to the right and let's check out this menu system, hit Performance, and look at the engine data. Wow, it is quick. I gotta tell you guys, 577 horsepower is just adequate for this car. It has a large 21.2 kilowatt hour battery in the back, and let's go ahead and stop right here and check out the energy flow. And looks like we have about 27% of drive on the electric mode. Let's go back and switch to electric and test this out. Okay, it is quick on electric only mode. I'm gonna switch to the sport mode and then to the sport. Wow, it's such a beautiful car. With the exception of the powertrain, just similar to the new E-Class, right? But then I love the light fixtures on the right hand side with the AMG insignia. Lets you know that it's a plug-in hybrid AMG. And wow, what a futuristic car. The amount of tech in this car is more than enough. The seats are also very comfortable, and there is some thigh support as well. It just doesn't get better than this in the E53. Let me turn on the light here, and center console. Wow, love the wood trim. Very nice wood trim. Wow, it looks really good. NFC wireless charging, and also some USB-C ports, 2 cup holders. Switch to the engine again. It is fast. It is absolutely fast. I love how it looks. The central display, this is fully touchscreen. We have a ton of options. There is a charge menu here. We are 26%. DC fast charging is half an hour in this car, and to charge up your 21.2 kilowatt hour battery. 0 to 60 time is 3.7. We've mentioned that. And we have the performance menu, which we were looking at, has a number of other features. The drive, you can see how much RPMs are coming from the front, the combustion engine, and as you brake, you can see it's charging the back as well. I always love this clock. And what a beautiful car. Air quality system, we'll look at that once we review this car. This car has a truck pace, which means we can do drag racing. So we do have launch control. We're not gonna do that, but overall, what a fantastic car. I think this is what, in my view, the C63S should have been. I think that's a missed opportunity by Mercedes-Benz. They should have chosen this engine configuration and put it in that car. Comfort menu, seat kinetics, we've seen these before. And wow, love the wood trim, very nice. Very nice soft leather with the brown. This is tonka brown. Nice seats. Love the LED all across as well. Center console, we have two USB-C ports, and we do have a 360-degree camera system in this car. This is a car to get. Now pricing, this E53 is priced at $97,000, so slightly cheaper than the C63S. Okay, so I'm not sure why that is. I've seen the new C63 come up in the lower 100s, but this is 97 grand. And we have Sport Plus and all the other menu options. Fantastic car, guys. And a real quick look at the new E53 for 2025. So far so good. We have a panoramic glass at the top. Wow, it's a beautiful car. And again, quick look, first impressions for the new 2025 Mercedes-AMG E53. Till next time, stay positive. Peace.